Hi, I'm Sunny and welcome to blendedrecipes.com. Today our smoothie is the Sweet-Tart Soy Smoothie. We've got some summer fruits, some fall fruits, and all together I swear it's gonna be amazing. What you're gonna need is 3 cups of cubed watermelon, 1 cup of plain soy yogurt, 1 cup of frozen cranberries, 1 small frozen banana, and 1 cup of unsweetened soy milk. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna start with the watermelon, followed by soy milk. All right, and our frozen cranberries are next. And our frozen banana. And our soy yogurt. All right, let's blend it up. It's time for our favorite fun fruity fact. So this recipe calls for a frozen banana. Just so you know, when your bananas start to get too ripe, you don't have to chuck them. Just put them in the freezer and then you can use them to make ice cream, which is literally just a banana, and you can add chocolate sauce and nuts, or throw them in a smoothie when they're too sweet. Works out just fine. Here we go. It's sweet, it's tarty, it's sweet tarty, and now it's time to party. It's so yummy. I, of course, want to know what you think. So when you try this recipe out, please give us your feedback and let us know what you think. So yummy. Anyways, until next time, toodles.